How to transfer Avacoin from Tonkeeper to Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet. Over here on the home page, you will be able to see the current balance that you have in your Tonkeeper wallet account. Now, if you want to view your Avacoin, you just have to simply scroll down, and in this list, you will be able to see your Avacoin. Currently, I don't have Avacoin in my Tonkeeper account, so I'm going to demonstrate the steps on the Toncoin, but you will have to follow the same steps for your Avacoin. So let's say this is your Avacoin, so you just have to simply tap on that, then tap on the send option. Now it will ask you to provide the address or the name or the QR code. So in order to get these details, you just have to simply open your Bitget exchange. Now tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the add funds option. Now tap on the deposit crypto option and use the search bar in the top. Over here you need to simply type Avacoin and then you need to simply tap on it. After that you need to choose the network, which would be most probably the Ton network. So you need to make sure that you select the Ton network. Then it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address, which you need to copy from here. Then come back to your Tonkeeper account and paste the address in this section. After that, in the comments you just have to simply type anything. If you find any tag, then you just have to add the tag or the memo in the comment section. Then tap on the next button. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you need to enter the amount of Avacoin that you want to transfer from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Bitget account. After that, press continue in the bottom. After pressing continue, your transaction will be initiated. Once your transaction is completed successfully, you just have to simply wait for some time until you see your Avacoin into your Bitget account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.